Today we're diving into affiliate marketing and establishing an online presence. I'll walk you through the process of 3 essential tools. It's going to be ClickBank, GetResponse, and Namecheap. Hey, this is Scott with Spring Hill Fox, and welcome back. And without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Oh, don't forget, I'll have at the end of the video, I'll have some links down below so you can go ahead and get started in your affiliate journey. And I'll see you in the video.
Okay, the first line we have is the Powerhouse Affiliate Marketing ClickBank. It's not just a platform, it's a treasure trove of digital products waiting to be promoted, allowing you to earn impressive commissions. I've delved into the vast selections and stumbled upon a remarkable product. I found a product to show you how easy it is to find products. Now that this is just a demo product that I'm showing you, the front page looks good. The professional, let's look at the affiliate page. This looks real nice and done very well. Now that we have our link, we need to find a landing page to put our links in, and that's where we GetResponse comes in. Now let's delve into the second player in our online affiliate marketing strategy, GetResponse. GetResponse is not just an email marketing platform, it's a comprehensive solution designed to make your marketing efforts seamlessly and practical. At its core, GetResponse is an affordable and user-friendly platform that empowers you to send emails, cultivate your emailing list, and automate your communication strategies. What sets it apart is ease of use, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned marketers alike. One of the standout features of GetResponse is the ability to help you collect contacts effortlessly, whether through sign-up forms, pop-up landing pages, or native integrations. Building and expanding your contact list has never been more straightforward. It provides a suite of tools that simplifies the process, ensuring you have a robust and engaging audience. But it doesn't stop there. GetResponse goes beyond essential email marketing. With AI-powered newsletters and emails, autoresponders, you can nurture your subscribers by delivering valuable and personalized content. The platform leverages audiences, advances technology to tailor your messages, ensuring your audience receives content that resonates with and keeps them engaged. And now we're on to Namecheap. With the completion of our crafted landing page, and the next steps involve infusing it with a unique and distinctive identity. To achieve this, I intend to leverage the service of Namecheap, a reliable platform that specializes in securing domain names by acquiring a domain through Namecheap. We are ensuring the security and credibility of our online presence and paving the way for a seamless affiliate marketing experience. Find the perfect domain that aligns seamlessly with our affiliate marketing ventures. The process involves exploring various options and considering factors such as relevance, memorability, and professionalism. Namecheap's user-friendly interface and robust features will give us a guide through this section of process, ensuring we land upon a domain that resonates with our brand and audience. Once we have a name, we need to set the DNA records to GetResponse. In GetResponse, look for domains and follow the prompts, and there you have it, folks. You have a link, an email, a platform, and you have everything you need ready for your business. I hope you liked this video. I hope it was informative, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the like and the share button and subscribe so you won't miss any videos in the future. And please share this video. Peace out. Scott.